Hi, welcome to chapter 2 Power Play. Experiencing the power play. An impossible venture. Take a sheet of paper as large as sheet as you can find. Fold it once, fold it again and again. How many times can you fold it over and over? Ishtu says, I heard that a sheet of paper cannot be folded more than 7 times. Roshi replies, what if we use a thin paper like newspaper or a tissue paper? Try it with different types of paper and see what happens. Usually, a sheet of paper cannot be folded more than 7 times because its thickness grows too faster compared to its size. With thinner or larger sheet like tissue or newspaper, you may fold it few more times, but still only around 7 to 12 folders in practice. So H2 is right for newspaper, and Ronnie's idea works only a little better with thin paper. Now, say you can fold a sheet of paper as many times as you wish. What would its thickness after 30 fold? Make a guess. Let us find out how thick a sheet of paper will be after 46 folds. Ask that thickness of the sheet is 0.001 centimeter. After calculation, thickness after 30 folds is equal to, this is the value, which is equal to 10.7 kilometer. Thickness after 46 fold, which is, this is the value, which is equal to 7,03,687 kilometer. That almost twice the distance from the earth to moon, which is approximately 3,84,000 kilometer. The following table lists the thickness after each fold. Observe that the thickness doubles after each fold. Here, fold 1, the thickness is equal to 0.002 centimeter. 2, 0.04 centimeter. That is up to 17 fold, which is 131 centimeter. Here we use the sign E. This is indicates approximately equal to. After 10 folds, the thickness is just above 1 centimeter, that is 1.024 centimeter. After 17 folds, the thickness is about 131 centimeter, the little more than 4 feet. The after 30 folds and 45 folds, we have answered here. Next, fill the table below. Fold thickness 18, 19, 20. The answer is given. For 21 is equal to 21 meter and 22 is equal to 41.9 meter. 23 is equal to 83.9 meter and 24 is equal to 167.8 meter and 25 is equal to 335.5 meter. 26 is equal to 671.1 meter. After 26 folds, the thickness is approximately 670 meter. Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the tallest building in the world, is 830 meter tall. After 30 folds, the thickness of the paper is 10.7 kilometer, the typical height at which a plane fly. The deepest point discovered in the ocean is the Marina stretch with the depth of 11 kilometer. Here the answer for fold 31 is equal to thickness is 10.7 kilometer, 32 21.7 kilometer, 33 is equal to 42.9 kilometer, 34 is equal to 85.9 kilometer, 35 is equal to 171.8 kilometer, 36 is equal to 343.6 kilometer, 37 is equal to 687.2 kilometer, 38 is equal to 1374.4 kilometer, 39 is equal to 2748.8 kilometer, 40 is equal to 5497.6 kilometer, 41 is equal to 10,995.1 kilometer, 42 is equal to 21,990.2 kilometer, 43 is equal to 43,980.5 kilometer, 44 is equal to 87,960.9 kilometer, 45 is equal to 1,75,921.9 kilometer. These are the answer for this one. It might be hard to digest that the fact after just 40 folds, the thickness is more than 7 lakhs kilometer. This is the power of multiplicative growth, also known as exponential growth. Let us analyze the growth. We have seen that the thickness doubles after every fold. Fold 4, 0.016 centimeter, fold 5, 0.032 centimeter, fold 9, 0.512 centimeter, fold 10, 1.024 centimeter. Notice the change in the thickness of the two folds by how much does it increases. After any three-fold, thickness increases 8 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Check if that is true. Similar from the any point, the thickness after 10 folds increases by 1024 times is equal to 2 multiplied by itself 10 times as shown in the table below. Fold 0 to 10 thickness 1.024 centimeter minus 0.01 centimeter is equal to 1.023 centimeter. The time increased by 1.024 divided by 0.01 is equal to 1024. While repeating the same process, we will get the same value, which is equal to 2 multiplied by itself 10 times. Exponential notations and operation. Thickness, the initial thickness of a paper was 0.01 centimeter. Unfolding once its thickness become 0.01 centimeter into 2, which is equal to 0.02 centimeter. Folding it twice, the thickness become 0.04 centimeter, which is equal to, in shorthand, 2 power 2. That means 2 into 2 we are taking as 2 power 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 power 3, and uh, when folding 4 times, which is equal to 2 power fold, the expression is once it is done for 7 times, it is equal to 2 power 7, which is equal to 0.128 centimeter. We have seen that the square numbers can be expressed as n square, or cube number is expressed as n cube. Read it as n squared or n raised to the power of 2. While multiplying n 3 times, which is n power 3, it is called n cubed or n raised to the power of 3. Next, multiplying n 4 times, which is n power 4, which is n raised to the power of 4 or fourth power. While multiplying n 7 times, power n power 7, which is n raised to the power 7. Here general we write n power a to denote n multiplied by itself a times, which is 5 power 4 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 625. 5 power 4 is an exponential form of 625. Here 4 is the exponent or power and 5 is the base. Exponent form of 5 power n are the power of 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4, etc. 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. It means after every tenfold, the thickness increased 1024 times. Here, 5 power 4 is read as 5 raised to the power of 4 or 5 to the power 4, 5 power 4, fourth power of 5. We can read in these types. Now, write the expression describes the thickness of the sheet of the paper. It folded 10 times. The initial thickness is represented by the number V. Now the answer for that is, here initial thickness is equal to V. After one fold, thickness is equal to V into 2. After 2 fold, thickness is equal to V into 2 into 2, which is V into 2 power 2. After third fold, the thickness is equal to V into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to V into 2 power 3. And after 10th fold, the thickness is equal to V into 2 power 10. That is the answer is sixth option. Next, some more examples of the exponential notation. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 4 power 3 is equal to 64. While taking the minus values, it will give minus value only. Similarly, a into a into a into b, which is equal to a power cube and b power 2 square. This can be expressed as a squared b raised to the power of 4. Okay, now same thing. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 4 power 3, which is equal to 64. Express the number 32,400 as the product of its prime number and represent the prime factors in their exponential power. That is taking the prime factor, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. In exponential form, it would be now 32,400 is equal to 2 power 4 and 5 power 2 into 3 power 4. What this would be the answer. What is minus 1 power 5? Is it positive or negative? What is about minus 1 power 56? Here our answer will be minus 1 raised to the even number gives plus 1. So minus 1 power 56 is equal to positive. Positive. Next is minus 2 power 4 is equal to 16. Verify. Yes, let us verify. Minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 minus 8 into minus 2 is equal to 16. Yes, it is 16. The answer is 16. Figure it out. Express the following in exponential form. This is 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 power 4. Y into y, which is 2y x power 2. B into b into b, which is b power 4. There is 2 5, that is 5 into 5 power 2 and 3 7, which is 7 power 3. There is 2 power 2 and here 2a, which is a power 2. Here 3a, a power 3 and here c power 4. D is 1, that is D. Next, express the each of the following as the product of power of their prime factors in exponential form. Next, 648, which is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 2 power 3 and 3 power 4. 3 power 4. Next, 405, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is 3 power 4 and into 5. Here 540, which is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is 2 power 2, 3 power 3 and 5. 3600, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into, which is 2 power 4 and 2, 3 are there, 3 power 2 and 5 power 2. Next, write the numerical values of each of the following. That is 2 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 1000. 2 into 1000, which is 2000. 7 power 2 is equal to 49 and 2 power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. 49 into 8 is equal to 392. 4 power 4, which is equal to 256. 3 into 2, 256, which is equal to 768. Minus 3 power 2 is equal to 9. Minus 5 power 2 is equal to 25. 9 into 25 is equal to 225. 3 power 2 is equal to 9. 10 power 4 is equal to 10,000. 9 into 10,000 is equal to 90,000. Minus 2 power 5, which is equal to 32, and minus 10 power 6 is equal to 10 lakh. 30 minus 32 into 10 lakh is equal to 32 lakhs. Here stone that shines. 3 daughters with curious eyes Each got 3 baskets, a kingly prize. Each basket have 3 silver keys. Each opens 3 big rooms with ease. Each room has the tables 1, 2, 3 with 3 bright necklace on each, you see. Each necklace has 3 diamonds so fine. Can you count these stones that shines? Find out the number of basket and rooms. How many how many rooms were there altogether? The information given can be visualized as below. King, 3 daughter, 3 baskets, and 9 keys, 9 keys, 9 keys, plus which is equal to, from the diagram, the number room is 3 power 4. This can be computed by repeatedly multiplying 3 by itself. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is equal to 81. 81 into 3 is equal to 243. How many diamonds were in total? Can you find out by just one multiplication using the product above? The number of diamonds is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 power 7. We can write 3 power 7 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into bracket 3 into 3 into 3 bracket close. We had 3 power 4. To find 3 power 7, we can just multiply 3 power 4 with 3 power 3, which is equal to 3 power 4 into 3 power 3 is equal to 81 into 27, which is 2187. 3 power 7 can also be written as 3 power 2 and 3 power 5. Can you reason out why? This can be easily extended to the product where the exponents are the same letter numbers. Write the product of p power 4 and p power 6 in exponential form. P power 4 into p power 6, which is equal to p power 10. We can generalize this to n power a into n power b is equal to n power a plus b, where a and b are counting numbers. When the base are same, we can add the powers. Use this observation to compute the following: 2 power 9 and 5 power 7, 4 power 6. 4 power 6 can be evaluated in these two ways. Here, 4 power 3, 4 power 3, 4 power 3 is equal to 64, 64 into 64, which is 4096. We can write as 4 power 2 into 4 power 2 into 4 power 2, which is 16 into 16 into 60, which is equal to 4096. The same way, 2 power 9 can be written as 2 power 3 power 3, which is 8 power 3, which is equal to 512. The same way we have writing 5 power 7 is equal to 5 power 3 into 5 power 2 into 5 power 2, which is equal to 125 into 625, which is equal to 7125. Similarly, 7 power 4 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, which is 7 power 2 into 7 power 2, which is equal to 7 power 2 whole power 2. 2 power 10, which is we are taking into 2 into 2 power 2, which is equal to 2 power 2 whole power 5. Is 2 power 10 also equal to 2 power 5 into 2? Write its product. Yes. 5 2's, 5 2's, adding these twos, this is same. That is n power a whole power b is equal to n power b whole power b, which is n power a into b is equal to n power ab. Now writing the following expression as the power of the power in at least two ways. That is, here two ways: 8 power 3 whole power 2 and 8 power 2 whole power 3. 7 power 5 whole power 3 and 7 power 3 whole power 5. 7 power 9 power 7 whole power 2, 9 power 2 whole power 7. 5 power 4 whole power 2, 5 power 2 whole power 4. While adding into these values, we'll get these power. Magical pond. In the middle of a beautiful magical pond lies a bright pink lotus. The number of lotus doubles every day in this pond. After 30 days, the pond is completely covered with lotuses. On which day was the pond half full? If the pond is completely covered by lotus on the 30th day, how much of it is covered by lotus on 29th? Since the number of lotus doubles every day, the pond should half covered on 29th day. The answer will be here. Since the number of lotus doubles every day, the pond should be half covered on 29th day. Write the number of lotus in exponential form when the pond was full covered and half covered. Double every day, day 30 is equal to 2 power 30 lotus. Previous day 2 power 29 lotus. This was the answer. There is another pond in which the number of lotus triples every day. When both ponds had no flower, Damayanti placed a lotus in doubling pond. After 4 days, she took all the lotus from there and put them in the tripling pond. How many lotus will be in the tripling pond after 4 more days? After first day, the number of lotus is equal to 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 power 4. After the next 4 days, the number of lotus is 2 power 4 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. What if Damayanti has changed the order in which she placed the flowers in legs? How many lotus would be there? That is 1 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 4. We are writing that. That is equal to 16 in day 1 to 4 in doubling pond and move to tripling pond for 4 more days, which is equal to 1296. Next, can this product be expressed as an exponent m power n where m and n are some counting numbers? By regrouping the numbers 3 into 2 for 4 times, which is 3 power 3 into 2 whole power 4, which is equal to 6 power 4. In general form, m power a and into n power a, which is equal to mn power a, where a is a counting number. Use this observation to compute 2 power 5 and into 5 power 5, which is equal to 2 into 5 whole power 5, which is equal to 10 power 5, which is equal to 1 lakh. Next, simplify 10 power 4 and divided by 5 power 4 and write in it in a exponential form. In general, we show m power a divided by n power a is equal to m divided by n whole power a. Let us check on it. Let us take 10 power divided by 5 whole power 5 4 is equal to 2 power 4, which is equal to 60. How many combinations? Istu has 4 dresses and 3 caps. How many different ways can Istu combine the dresses and caps? For each cap, he can choose any of 4 dresses. So for 3 caps, 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 into 3, which is 12 combination as possible. We can also look at it as for each dress, Istu can choose any of the 3 caps. So for 4 outputs, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12 combinations are possible. Roxy has 4 dresses, 2 hats and 3 pairs of shoes. How many different ways can Roxy dress up? Now dress is equal to 7, hats is equal to 2, shoe is equal to 3. Total number of combination is equal to 7 into 2 into 3 into is equal to 42. Next, Vistu and Roni came across a safe containing old stamp and coins that their great grandfather has collected. This was secured with a 5-digit password. Since nobody know the password, they had no option except to try every password until it opened. They were unlucky and the lock only opened with the last password after they have tried all possible combination. How many possible passwords this they end up checking? Each digit has 10 choices. A 5-digit lock will be 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is 10 power 5 is equal to 1 lakh password. This is same as writing till 999 9000 and sorry 99,999 with all 5 digits starting from 0000 up to 99,999 we have to try on. Next, instead of 5-digit lock, let us assume we have a 2-digit lock and try to find out how many passwords are possible. There are 10 options for first digit 0 to 9. For each of this, there are 10 options for the second digit. If 0 is the first digit, then 0, 2 up to 09 are possible. There are the total number of combination for 2-digit lock is 10 into 10, which is 100. Now, suppose we have 3-digit lock for each of the earlier 10, 100 2-digit passwords are 10 choices for the third digit. So, there are 100 into 10, which is 1000 combinations for 3-digit lock. You can listen them all 000, 001, 002 up till 999. This is the 5-digit password. It is already explained in the previous page. Next says next time I will buy a lock that has 6 slot with the letters A to Z. I feel it is safer. How many passwords are possible with such locks? Now 26 choice per letters. 6 slot is equal to 26 power 6, which is equal to, this is the password, which is huge number. Next, think about how many combinations are possible in different contexts, such as pin codes of places in India, mobile numbers, vehicle registered. You can try on your own. Next, the other sides of power. Imagine a line of length 60 in unit. Erasing half of it result in 2 power 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8 unit. Erasing half one more time would result as 2 power 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 2, which is equal to 2 into 2. 2 power 2 is equal to 4 unit. Halving 16 centimeter 3 times may be written as 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 3, which is 2 power 1 is equal to 2 unit. From this we can see that 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 power 1. What is the 2 power 100 divided by 2 power 25 in powers of 2? In the generalized form, n power a divided by n power b is equal to n power a minus b, where n is not equal to 0 and a and b are counting numbers and a is greater than b. Here, in generalized form, the same. Here the answer will be 2 power 100, 2 power 100 minus 2 power 25 divided by, which is, we have to take that, taking this as same 25 equal to 2 power 75 is the answers. Why cannot n be 0 here? Because if you write 0 power 0 is undefined. Also division by 0 is invalid. That's why n is not equal to 0 a in the rule. n power 0 is equal to 1. So here we have not covered the case when the exponential is 0. For example, what is 2 power 0? Let us define 2 power 0 in the way that the generalization formed above holds true. 2 power 0 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 4, which is equal to 1. In fact, for any letter a, 2 power 0 is equal to 2 power a minus a is equal to 2 power a divided by 2 power a is equal to 1. In general, x power a divided by x power a is equal to x power a minus a is equal to x power 0. So, 1 is equal to x power 0, where x is not equal to 0 and a is a counting number. When a line of length 2 power 4 unit is halved 5 times. 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 5, where here 2 power 4 2's are written in 4 times and 2 is written in 5 times, while dividing 1 by 2 will be there. 1 by 2 unit. Using the generalized form, we get 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 5, which is equal to 2 power 4 minus 5, which is equal to 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. When a line of length 2 power 4 units is halved 10 times, then 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 10, which is equal to 2 power minus 6 unit. When extended, 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 10 is equal to, while we are cancelling, we get 1 by 2 power 6, which is equal to 1 by 64, which can be written as 2 power minus 6.